Hello and welcome back to Pray.Plan.Repeat. I am Chanel. Thank you so much for coming. So I know you guys have not seen me in like 2-3 weeks, something like that. You know, life happens, and then when you're not motivated, you just don't film. But I wanted to show you guys something I ordered from Etsy. And I found this shop on Instagram. I actually follow them on Instagram. And the shop name, I hope you guys can see that, is, I believe it's Divon Creations. And I wanted to show you guys what I ordered. So let's dig in. Alright. So this comes in a blue envelope, which is super cute. And then the sticker here is just so adorable. It says Happy Mail. Hope you guys can see that. So super cute. So I'm actually using my my phone to film. I wanted to see if the quality is a lot better. But this sticker is just so adorable. So adorable. So when you open it up, it comes in a cellophane bag just like this. And isn't that so cute? So stinking cute. I just love it. So let's go ahead and open this. Move the bag out the way. So this would be my, let's see. Okay, that's my receipt. Alright, that's just my receipt. It's telling me what I ordered and all that good stuff. So, I'm gonna show you the card first. Isn't this card so cute? With the pretty watercolors and everything. So cute. But yeah, she does planner stickers and more. And like I said, she is on Instagram. And that is her website. And as you can see, that is her social right there. Very, very cute card. So now let's jump right into the stickers. I only ordered a few because I wanted to see, you know, how the stickers were. But look at these. They're called These Doodles. But they're just so stinking cute. And she is so ready for the beach. Now, I bought these to, you know, help inspire me that I need to get beach body ready. So, I wanted to use this icon every single week to remind me that, okay, girl, you gotta get on the floor, you gotta do your exercise. But isn't this so cute? She has her sunglasses, her bathing suit, her bag. She is just so ready. And you get quite a few of them. If I'm not mistaken, you get 15. 15 of these cute little stickers. Super duper cute. So the next one. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, take it back. I don't know what these stickers are called, but this is so cute, super cute. But look at these washi tapes, you guys. This kind of makes me want to create some washi tape stickers. But these are just so stinking cute. So you get 6 of these, and you get 8 of those. But they're just so beautiful. They're just so cute. And then the last one that I picked up, they're like little planner bags. And she had 2 different versions of these planner bag stickers. But this was the one I chose. But they're just so cute. And you get 9 of these little stickers on here. And I love it. So that's all for my haul, you guys. I just wanted to come on here and share that with you guys. I know I've been gone for a while, but like I said, life happens, and you know, you just gotta go with the flow. So if you have not seen it, which I might have already uploaded, but if I have not, I did do a DIY on a canvas that I wanted to share with you guys. It came out so super cute because I wanted to change the background up on my beauty channel, and I was like, let me just create one myself because I already had this canvas. Honestly, I had the canvas for about a year and a half. Never used it. It was still completely white. So I was like, you know what? We're going to add some color to this. And I'm using that for my background on my beauty channel. Anyways, Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys like this unboxing. And if you would like to, you know, try her out, go check her out. She has an Instagram too. She don't know me, but I'm just letting you know. These stickers are cute. Can't wait to play with them. All right. I'll talk to you guys again later. Bye.